Good day, my name is Ted Jones, and we're here at MarineMax Stuart on a beautiful day on this absolutely beautiful 320 Scout LXF. What an incredible boat. You can see towards the bow we have a big comfortable seating area with cushions and backrests. However, this is all removable, so when you're fishing you can do it. Get the cushions out of your way. Very comfortable console seat on the front. As we walk to the back of the boat's really configured nicely. A lot of room for a 32-foot boat. Has a nice storage locker on one side of the console. The helm is laid out very well. A little difficult to see, but it has twin Garmin GPS fish finder combos. Boat is a joystick boat, Mercury joystick system. Very comfortable seating. Does have the bolsters that flip up and down. Big comfortable back seat that's folded up at the moment. Just give you an idea of the cockpit room. Unique dive door setup. Live well, tackle center, and sink, which is real nice because if you're not a fisherman, that live well makes a great cooler or garbage can. This boat also has a big area inside the console. Head, storage, sink. Really well laid out boat, and I'll tell you, if you've never ridden on a Scout, you got to get out and ride this boat. It's absolutely incredible. Boat's powered by Mercury 4-stroke 350 Verados. Incredible power, incredible running boat. Give me a call if you'd like to get out on it or for more information. Again, my name's Ted Jones, 772-263-6743. I thank you for your time today.